Have you ever had a table topic session run like this?
Please help me welcome our table topic master, Mike.
Hello everyone. This is my first time doing this table topics. I prepared a couple of questions that maybe a couple of you can answer.
Okay, so he's nervous. Everybody gets nervous when they're up for the first time. There's nothing wrong with that.
Using Firefox or Internet Explorer the other day, and I was browsing the web, and I ran into a problem. And this problem is pretty frequent, so I was wondering if anybody here has any suggestions they could help me out with. Anybody?
Long, awkward pause.
Anyone? Joanne.
I like both of those websites very much. There are also other social networking sites.
Well, he's got someone to answer the question. Unfortunately, that person was speaker number one.
This is also very important at other shopping sites as well, especially when you have put your billing information in and you don't want to click on the.
You'll also notice that our table topics master forgets to lead the applause, so there isn't very much, and that's kind of uncomfortable.
I find it interesting how she has different websites that have this problem.
And now he spends almost as much time talking about her answer as she spent in giving it.
The back button is a problem quite often. And so does anybody, so over many times, anybody else have anything they would like to share on this particular topic? Please, George.
Now, a lot of people, especially new Toastmasters, are very shy about getting up for table topics. So who do we get? We get the Toastmaster.
Easier to use. I had a lot of trouble trying to get my video on MySpace.
Thank you. Wow. I am also a big user of MySpace and Facebook. Good example. Does anybody think that that is something that you use and something that you would like to share with us? Anybody? Anybody? Oh, Joanne.
And now, after another long, awkward pause, who gets up to speak again? Speaker number one.
So the next topic I want to talk about is related to JPEGs on the browser side, and I think that if anybody has experience with, actually, I think we're out of time. Oh, I'm going to have to call back the Toastmaster. I hope everybody liked my questions. Please, Toastmaster.
Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Mike, for the question. I'm sure it was very helpful for everyone.
Now let's try that again, only this time the table topics master will ask people directly.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are in our table topic session. Help me welcome our table topic master, Mike.
Thank you, William. Excellent. Welcome, everybody. Hello, my name is Mike. I am doing this for the first time, doing this table topics session. The first question is regarding my experience using the Internet Explorer and the Firefox browser. I've noticed that when visiting sites, you can click the back button, and sometimes it doesn't work. And it is quite frustrating when you're on Amazon or sites like that. So I was wondering if anybody here maybe has a similar experience that they could share with us. Antonio, you haven't spoken. Would you like to come up?
Sure.
Thank you.
So, I don't really know how that works, but last time I was making a purchase online, I was trying to make sure that
The questions are still pretty lame, but at least now there are no awkward pauses. Antonio doesn't have anything to say about the topic, but that's okay. He can still answer the question any way he wants to, like changing the topic, for example.
that again, because I ended up getting 3 boxes in the mail, and none of them are what I really ordered.
Excellent job. Thank you, Antonio. That was a good answer. Does anybody have any other opinions on this?
You'll notice the Table Topics master didn't elaborate on Antonio's answer. He acknowledged it and went right on to the next question.
Online is that when you're browsing the web with a browser, you run into a situation where sometimes you have GIF files, sometimes you have JPEGs. I was wondering, as non-web developers, if you have experience with JPEGs or GIFs, and which one do you prefer, or do you care? Anybody? Julia, do you have an answer for us? Thank you. Please come on.
Table Topics Master, fellow Toastmasters. I don't have any idea. I don't know anything about these formats. JPEGs.
This time Mike was prepared. He noted who was at the meeting and checked to make sure he knew their names. He got in all the members without major speaking roles up for Table Topics. And he led the applause.
Well, I think we're out of time here, folks, and we're going to wrap this up. I'm going to call back up the Toastmaster of the day, and we can get on with our program. Please help me welcome back William.
This time Mike finished off neatly and everybody felt comfortable. Of course, he shouldn't have led the applause for the Toastmaster. The Toastmaster should have led the applause for him, but hey, you can't get everything right the first time.